Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to delete old updates of Windows 10 from the machine. So let's start. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. Open my disk. As you can see, my C drive is total 118 GB and 6 GB is free only free. So click on C and you can see this is the old updates of Windows. So let's check the space, how much space is taking. I need some space to free. So let's see how much space I get from this. 12 GB, 13, 14, 15, now 16, 17, 18, 20. These all are the old updates that your system doesn't require. And total space the old updates taking my system is 22 GB. So how can we delete this? Back and in C drive, right click on properties, click here on clean disk. Now here you need to select which file you want to clean up from system. Scroll down. So you need to here clean up system files. Guys, if you need any help in any software or any programming language, feel free to comment below. If you have any suggestion, feel free to comment below. It's take a little time. I'm pausing video here till now. You can check Windows update cleanup and down below here Windows previous installation. You can see here it's 23.2 GB. So let's clean up this. Click on OK, delete files. So by this process you can delete your old updates of the Windows and you can free up your space. So I'm pausing video till it's complete. So the process is complete. Now you can see for my system the 20.7 space is free from 6 GB. So good luck guys. If you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel and like the video.